Hey everybody, as usual, I've kept you waiting. I just don't seem to blog enough. I always say this is it. I'm going to get into the routine of blogging often and uploading things, and I don't have the best track record. What can I say? I don't know. I often shoot things, have them sitting on my computer, and then they become totally irrelevant, so I don't upload them. So I just thought I'd check in, let you know that I'm still thinking about blogging. I'm still going to be working on the Alana Through the School Years blogs. It's quite funny. I actually was able to track down some old elementary school journals I had. You remember grade 2, 3, 4, you kind of had to write journals every day at school, what you were doing, what you were going to be up to on the weekend. And it was interesting to read through them. I had quite the creative little mind. I talked a lot about brownies. I was a little brownie, and I was always into mischief at brownies, so I'll probably bring those out and read some passages out of them, or at least get some ideas, because a lot of the things I had totally forgotten. Building forts, all kinds of things. My insights into the TV I would watch. One, I admitted that I said I went to a parade on the weekend, and rather than talking about, you know, a certain float or a band, I mentioned in my journal that I saw a pooper scooper. I don't know why that was the most important part of the parade, I thought, but that's what I mentioned. I think that was in my grade 2 journal, so that gave me a bit of a laugh. So I'm going to be getting back to that. Plus, I'm going to be starting some training for a marathon very soon. I don't know if you watched vlogs in the past. I ran a marathon last year with a severely ingrown toenail. This year, no ingrown toenails yet. Anyways, I've been doing a little bit of running, but it'll get serious with that soon, and I'll probably somehow try and incorporate the marathon training into a blog, because that can be, I don't know, sort of interesting, I guess. There's lots of things that go into training for a marathon, so I will update things about that. Plus, also, just summer's coming, so usually that's a perfect reason to make a blog. It's starting to get sunny out. Finally starting to get warm, so there'll be lots of beach trips and whatnot, trips up island. I'm going to be buying a car soon, so there's going to be plenty of reasons to make a blog, so please keep checking back. Don't lose faith in me. I will. I'll start blogging a little more routinely. Who knows, maybe even later on tonight I will get into one of the Alana school year blogs. I think I'm about to do grade 2, and that's, I think, the most interesting journals that I have, so I will do that very, very soon. But as I always say, do this. You do some blogging, pick up a camera. Basically, any digital camera now has the video function, so turn it on to video, turn the camera around, and make a blog, post it to YouTube. Let me know your link, and I promise I'll watch your blogs and post on them. You do the same. Keep checking back for my blogs. As I said, I will post them more often. Hope everybody's doing great. See you soon.